Through advanced technologies, all plants can be monitored and supervised for getting technical and performing data, with the scope to keep under constant control all the data and performance. All the data will be stored and managed by specialists. We are specialized in virtual reality, mixed reality, and 3D. Our monitoring system are under constant supervision from the operators. Our advanced storage is clear, safe, and reliable. Our remote system allows us to keep in contact with the plants in every moment. In this interfaces you can see our systems working and communicating in remote mode with the installed parts. With this method we know in fastest moment the performance of the finished products and in necessary what to substitute. This performance management functions with all the products, from the single part to the entire plant, explorable in its own entire.